How to enable dark mode on Snapchat Android. Let's open your Snapchat app. Go to your profile on the upper left corner of your screen and go to Settings. Then scroll down until you find Support and click I Need Help. Here, just search dark mode and select the first result that will appear. Here, it showed the instruction to enable dark mode on iOS. And it clearly stated that dark mode on Android is not available this time. So all that we can do is contact support by clicking the three lines on the upper right corner of the screen and click Contact Us. Here, we can submit a request for a dark mode on Android by simply clicking I need help for a Snapchat feature. Then, scroll down to select Settings, then Dark Mode. Here, it is clearly stated dark mode is not currently available for Snapchatters on Android. So the only thing we can do right now is request dark mode on Android by contacting Snapchat support. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.